Good morning, traders. Welcome to AI Traders live market analysis using artificial intelligence to find high probability trades. Brief disclaimer, and here is the contact details. Today we'll be covering the Nasdaq100 index constituent stocks. We'll be looking at these stocks from an artificial intelligence trading perspective. We'll apply 4 artificial intelligence trading strategies: major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. Now, these cater for various type trading styles, from short-term swing trades to medium-term holding periods, so trading periods. So there's something for everyone in terms of artificial intelligence trading. Just the tip of the iceberg, just to refresh everybody's memories if you're new to the show. The AI engine explores 10 to the power of 200 different possible combinations using all the technical indicators available and different market relationships, and also uses all the variable settings on those technical indicators. But we use genetic algorithms in particularly to identify hot trading ideas, and I will explain more of this in a little bit of detail after we've done the scan. Let's jump straight into the platform looking for the hottest new artificial intelligence trading ideas. So I've got the Metastock platform open. Incidentally, we can see here this is the Spider, the AI generated Spider ETF, bought here right at the bottom, and it's been holding on to that with a very wide volatility adjusted stop loss. So a tremendous good return in the market since the March low. Captured the entire move of the COVID recovery. Nevertheless, I've got the Explorer open. I've selected the Fulgent engine that sits on the Metastock platform there. You see there's quite a lot of other trading strategies on the Metastock platform, something for everyone. But today we're focusing on the artificial intelligence engine. I've got the Nasdaq100 selected, and I'm going to start the exploration. This will take a couple of minutes. As the AI now goes through the screening process, looking for those 4 type technical indicators: major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. I'll be right back as soon as the scan's done. So the screen's done. Took about 3 minutes, not as long as I expected. The AI has now identified the latest trading ideas using AI. The column headings here, quick recap for those of you that not aware how this works. In a long, if there's a 1 in that, it means the AI is in a long position there. In a short, if there's a 1 in that column, it means it's in a short. Bars tells you how old the trade is: 2 days, 14 days, 34 days into a trade. Hits tell you how many times in the testing period did this particular engine, artificial strategy, identify a trade. It's code 105, which is a volatility breakout. 602 times in the testing period, and the accuracy on average of 65%, with 1.6% average profit per trade. So it's quite good statistics, trading statistics. So we're going to sort these from bars, most recent, Exelon Corporation. I'm going to move this to the other screen so we can see the list, the chart. You can see our fantastic swing trade down here, another major reversal, quick volatility breakout, and now in another volatility breakout in a long. So we'll see if that one's going to work out, but add that one to your watch list. There's another one, Activision Blizzard. So this is number 105 once again. It's a volatility breakout, so we can see we've had some tremendous good trades out here. Volatility breakout back here, huge move, took profit in and around this zone. Another volatility breakout. Note how the AI adjusts the stop loss, adds it, and also adjusts for volatility, puts that in there. So this November, December, February rally was a huge move. Caught most of that, so that was fantastic. Now it's sideways moving pattern, and we have got another volatility breakout here. Look where the stop loss is. The AI has added the stop loss right in here at the bottom end of the trade. So far so good. Applied Materials is next. This one is 2 days also into a trade. There we go. We can see since September we've had multiple trades. Volatility breakout here, huge move, caught that move, caught that move, caught that move, caught that move. So fantastic move. Hit the stop loss there. Another move came through. Very volatile trade. and then another volatility breakout's coming. So it will be interesting to see if we'll have a follow through of this move. But it's been a fantastic run since September, almost all the trades generating some healthy returns. Cisco Systems is the next one on the list. Wait for this one to load. There we go. Nice swing trade here back in November. Another one February, March. Another swing trade in March. And a volatility breakout here in June. Another volatility breakout. So it will be interesting to see if this one's going to snap back up to the 55 level. So fantastic move there. Cognizant Technologies, another one. This one is, let me just see, bars. Also 2 days in the trade. So you can see there's a lot of new fresh trade ideas. Volatility, huge move May, quick move, volatility breakout July, August, September, another huge move, volatility breakout, huge gap down, now volatility breakout after it hits the stop loss there. So it'll be interesting to see if that one has a follow through or not. Gilead Sciences, let's see, this one loads. I'm going to move this off screen. We can see here volatility breakout, major market reversal, huge move, quite a lot of volatility trades. This one would certainly keep you busy trading this one. Very volatile trade there. Liberty Global PLC. Here we go. This is an ADR, I think. It's a dual listed one, yes. And nice swing trade here, kept you in there. Volatility breakout as it goes along. Caught almost every nice move there, so that's definitely one to watch. We're going to go through the list a little bit further down, look at some more familiar names. Western Digital, we'll see how that one pans out. Oh, fantastic. August, September, October, lots of buy signals. Traded the run up, another volatility breakout, huge volatility breakout. So this is the last big move up. So we'll see if we get a follow through on that one. The other one, Electronic Arts as well. We 3 days into a trade there. Code 105 is the volatility breakout trade. Oh, fantastic. Look at this November trade. Huge move, volatility breakout, another huge move, volatility breakout, another huge move. This one will certainly keep you busy, these volatility breakouts. I'm going to look at some of the older trades now. We'll scroll down the list to the bottom end. Let's see which one's got the longest in trades. Let's see, Take Two Interactive is an interesting one. Yeah, we had a nice volatility breakout move. June, July, August move. August, September. Bit of a late breakout there. That one failed. Stop loss hit. 2 volatility breakouts. So it's now moving sideways. It is still in a long, even though it's been moving sideways. So this one will keep you in there for a while. PepsiCo. There we go. Volatility breakout. Yeah, just look at these AI generated signals. So quite a lot of profitable trades in this one. Baidu, the ADR one, which is a blast from the past, 61 days into a trade there. Lots of volatile breakouts. Caught this lovely run up, got you out there timely. Then you got another volatility breakout along. That hit the stop loss. 2 hit the stop loss, but the last one's still in along. So we're interesting to see if we'll see a follow through of this move. Marriott International, 63 bars into a trade. Code 105, the AI, it's a volatility breakout once again. Nice steady move, sideways moving, breakout, sideways moving, breakout. So this one is just slow and steady as you go. ASML Holdings, 44 days into a trade, accuracy, 65% accuracy in the testing period. Oh, fantastic. Look at these volatility breakouts. Note how the AI adjusts the stop loss as we go along and then gets you out there. Another volatility breakout, huge move. And this last one's still going strong. So fantastic move in terms of the all these stocks looking at the artificial intelligence generated signals. So here's the list again. I'll make it available to download so you can have a look at it. These are the lists sorted from most recent to the older ones. So we can see there's quite a lot of familiar names. Electronic Arts, Ultra Beauty, ADP, JD.com, quite a lot of fantastic trades to trade. Most of them all volatility breakouts. DocuSign is in there. Microsoft in there. How did Microsoft pan out? Let's see this one. Yeah. Oh, fantastic. Back here in the volatility breakout here in low. Clearly with, there was a sell signal actually just before the big drop. And then 2 buys within that volatile period. And then the last one worked out quite well. Caught that whole move up to the to about the 225. And then a couple of other ones in between. So far so good. Microsoft really trading ahead, motoring ahead as the AI identify key trading opportunities on Microsoft. So fantastic. These are all the AI trades, the most recent ones, and we can see it's quite a comprehensive list, quite a strong market. So absolutely a fantastic way to trade using artificial intelligence. If anybody's interested in getting your hands on your own artificial intelligence engine, go to metastock.com/alphaharvest3for1, and if you click on the link or follow that address, this is what the landing page looks like, and they have a promotion on 3 for the price of 1. And you can either go for the real time or end of day. Just follow the sign up process to select your data feeds, and yes, give it a try. 3 months for the price of 1. Absolutely fantastic to get started on the Metastock platform using artificial intelligence. Yeah, in part 3, I just wanted to give a little bit more detail on the artificial intelligence trading. As mentioned, the tip of the iceberg explanation is the AI using genetic algorithms does 10 to the power of 200 different combinations of all the technical indicators and settings. The genetic algorithm identifies key indicators of price movement through a combination of hundreds of market factors measured over decades of historical data. So this really provides some of the very best artificial intelligence trading strategies. So, for example, a little bit more detail, it uses a lot of the technical indicators like oscillators, RSI, MACD, stochastics, at certain levels and certain crosses and certain settings and how these relate to each other. It uses all the oscillators going through certain levels, volume patterns, climaxes, trends, etc., and how they all relate to the RSI, MACD, stochastics, and how they all relate to different type settings, moving average differences of each other's price and what setting, various time frames, and how those moving average relates to all the other indicators at that particular time, at that particular setting, for example. It incorporates chart patterns, ranges, breakouts, support and resistance, and how that relates once again to the moving average, volume patterns, oscillators, RSI, MACD, stochastics, and how all that relates to different price settings. So you can see a tremendous amount of thousands of different type technical indicators are used in this process. So the AI training process is similar to a human system designer, where you can provide the AI engine with a specific setup, and it also generates its own setup. So it is possible to train the AI as well using your own traditional trading strategy, and then develop your own artificial intelligence trading strategy on top of that. But in the training phase, the Fulgent AI examines thousands of bars of historical price data to generate rules that match a setup to specific relationships where the combination has been predictive in the past. Okay, the AI engine explores 10 to the power of 200 different possible combinations of indicators and market relationships. Now, this is a job that's just impossible for a human to do. Okay. Artificial intelligence has many definitions, but perhaps the most inclusive one is algorithms that search for complex patterns in very large amounts of data. Okay, and Fulgent Technologies, which is the main force behind the Fulgent engine, use many techniques to search among the trillions of possible combinations of indicators and relationships. And among them is an initial search method called the genetic algorithm. And that brings us back to this genetic algorithm, where the AI has gone into the system, tested all the different possible combinations, and it came up with various type high probability trades. And that brings us back to these 4 AI strategies that we're using on AI Traders Live: major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. Until next time, happy AI trading. And just to recap, if anybody wants to get your AI, go to maddox.com/alphaharvest3 for one, and mention the promo code alphaharvest in the sign-up process. But give it a try. It's absolutely fantastic way to trade. Puts one's trading right into the 21st century. Until next time, happy AI trading.